Hello mga ka-Phil Stocks! Japit here. Pag-usapan natin, ano nga ba ang ticker at paano ito makakatulong sa pagtitrade natin? The ticker is a moving list of all the done transactions in the Philippine stock market. Nakalagay dito yung mga stocks na nabili, yung kanilang current price, pati na rin yung volume and yung value ng transactions nila. Malalaman mo rin kung kamusta na yung stock for the day through its font color. If green, then it's up for the day. If red, then it's down. If white, then it means unchanged siya for the day. Finally, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung bawat stock sa ticker, may katabing arrow. For clues, dito tayo titingin. If green arrow yung makikita natin, it means na binabuy up yung stock na yon. Maganda if makakakita kayo ng isang stock sa ticker na laging may green arrow, kasi it would mean na may buying momentum siya. If red arrow naman yung makikita natin, it means na sinasell down na yung stock na yon. If makakakita kayo ng stock na laging may red na arrow, mag-iingat kayo dito. For traders, it might be a signal na kailangan na muna natin siyang bitawan if may hawak tayo at iwasan kung wala pa tayong hawak. And that's how we can use the ticker in our trades. Watch our tutorials for more details and guides on our PhilStocks platform features.